Okay, so I want to give you a feel for what a follow-up funnel looks like in ClickFunnels. And this, depending on the system or the background that you're used to, you might think of this as an email sequence or an email series. What's laid out here is what I would probably call an intermediate. There's some complexity to it, but not quite super advanced or super technical in terms of what all the advancement is. But this is an intermediate level follow-up funnel. So what's happening here is we've got, I'm not going to give you all the details because this is a copy of something that's live and it's somebody's real book, but we have a trigger. The trigger that's happening here is someone is opting in to find out more about our book. We wait a little bit and then there is a step. And this split test or this split step is going to happen multiple times throughout the flow. We're going to go back and we're going to look at this customer and say, did the customer buy the book or not buy the book? If they did, we're not going to send more emails. If they did not buy the book, we're going to follow up with them. So we're going to continue down this no path and we're going to send them a reminder. Remember, we've waited an hour since they opted in, just in this case. You can set that delay to whatever period you'd like. Then we're going to wait a day. I scroll back up, I'll show you that 1 hour delay. Now, as I scroll down, we have another 1 day delay. We're going to run that same split test again. If they've made the purchase, we're going to stop sending them the email. If they have not made the purchase, we're going to send them a follow-up email, an additional follow-up. This is going to be a little bit different than the first. It's going to tell them a little bit more. Then we will have another 1 day delay where we'll go through that split step again. If they've purchased, they're done. If they haven't, we will send an additional follow-up. After that second reminder, we're going to have a 2 day delay. This could be anything that you want, whatever you think is right for your specific use case. It could be a minute, it could be a day, it could be a week, it could be a year. We're going to run the split test again. If they purchase, they're done. If they have not, they're going to get a final reminder. After that reminder, we're going to tag them. We're calling that Seinfeld, which if you're familiar with ClickFunnels and some of the training and teachings that they do within ClickFunnels, you'll know what Seinfeld means. It's more the broadcast messages that go to the whole audience. We did not want to put these folks into that broader email group prior to this because we wanted them to get to know us a little bit. That's part of what's in the initial follow-up emails. But once they're through that sequence, whether they've purchased or not, we're going to add the Seinfeld tag so that they get everything from us. So that's an overview of a follow-up funnel flow within ClickFunnels 2.0. If you'd like to learn more about that, shoot me an email or leave a comment here and I will be sure to get back to you. I'm also going to leave a link to a training from ClickFunnels that will get you up and running with things like this, and you can learn all of that for free. The training is free, the software is free, and it's really a great way to get started with the software. So check that out, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.